I'm so glad you're with me again today. I want to go ahead and get started with our greeting. Today I want to do rise and shine. Here we go. Rise and shine and put on a happy face. Rise and shine and put on a happy face. Rise and shine and put on a happy face. Yes, oh yes. All right, today I want to talk about poetry. Do you know what poetry is? Oh, poetry is a type of literature that the author uses imagination and emotions to tell us a little bit. Normally in a poem, it has a rhythm, a beat, and it has rhyming. So it kind of might sound a little bit like a song, and most of them are kind of funny. They're humorous, they're funny. All right. Let's go ahead. The first kind of poem that we're going to look at today is a limerick. A limerick. Let me tell you what a limerick is. A limerick is a silly poem with 5 lines. 5 lines. The first, second, and fifth lines rhyme. The third and fourth lines rhyme. Rhyming are words that kind of sound the same, right? All right. So I have a limerick today, and first, I want us to find out what a line is. This pink highlighted part is one line. So let's count the lines in this poem together. There's our heading. Now let's count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So this is a limerick. It has 5 lines. Now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to find the rhyming words in this poem. And normally the rhyming words are going to be at the back. So on our first line, I see the word, do you know that word? It starts with O. Ocean. Ocean. All right. Then on the second line, it starts with the P. P goes pa, pa, pa. Ocean. Potion. Ocean, potion. Do those rhyme? Tell your parents, do those rhyme? Yes, they rhyme. Very good. Now we need to go down to the fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Do you know what letter this word starts with? It's an L and it says, ooh, 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 ocean, lotion. Do potion and lotion rhyme? Yes or no? Yes, kiss your brain. They do rhyme. So the first, second, and fifth line rhyme. Now let's look at the third and the fourth. Ooh. I see this word. It starts with a D. What sound does the D make? D, r, ink. Drink. Very good. Now let's look at the last word on this line. Oh, we know TH. It goes th. So we're going to go th. Ink. Think. Do drink and think rhyme? Yes. So a lot of poems have rhyming words at the end. Very good. Let's read this limerick together right quick. You ready? There once lived a boy near the ocean who thought he found a magical potion. He took a big drink and started to think. It tasted just like suntan lotion. Oh man, I bet that didn't taste good. Our illustration down here kind of shows us some things that we might see in the poem. When do we wear suntan lotion? When it's raining or when it's sunny? When it's sunny, and we see the bottle of suntan lotion there. How funny. Now what I would like for you to do is I would like for you take a screenshot of this limerick, and as you go, I have some words down here that you need to fill in the blank to make the limerick make sense. So each one of these words you're going to fill in the blank when you're screenshot. There was an old man with a who said, it is just as I, 4 cats and a, have all made their home in my. And you're going to fill in those blanks with these words to make your limerick. Remember, you have to make sure that those correct lines rhyme. Very cool. I can't wait to see what y'all do with those. All right, I want to do a little math right quick. And in math today, we're going to talk about measurement. Measurement is when we find out how long something is, how long or how short something is. All right, the first rule when we measure is you always have a tool to measure. You could use a ruler, you could use paper clips, you could use erasers, but you always got to make sure that you always use the same rule. You can't use erasers and paper clips. No, you would have to use all erasers to measure. So you have the same tool. So today, my measuring tool is going to be erasers. And I want us to see the length, how long this highlighter is. When we measure, we can't start way in front. No, we have to make sure when we measure that it's even Steven. So I'm going to make sure that it's on the edge and lined up. Will you count the stars with me so we can see how many stars make this length? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars make that highlighter. Wow, we found out the length on that. Very good. Kiss your brain. All right, let's go ahead and measure one more thing. Miss Hall also has a crayon. I want to measure the length of this crayon. All right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The crayon was 5 stars long. Can you tell me which one of these was longer? Was the highlighter longer or the crayon? Yes, you are so smart. The highlighter was longer. It had 6, but the crayon only had 5. So the highlighter had one more star. I can't wait to see what you measured at your house. Just remember, use the same measuring tool. Ask your parents if you got paper clips or if you have erasers, and I can't wait to see what you're doing. All right, I miss you, and I will see you soon. Remember, you mattered yesterday, you mattered today, you will always matter. Bye.